you've observed a drop in the quality or the sharpness of your vision. What am I talking about? You need more light to see these days. You find it difficult, or you struggle to read. You struggle to probably thread a needle, unlike before. Drive at night. You need extra light before you can carry out a task. When they take light, you struggle to adjust to your environment, or you are simply having blur vision. Then this video is for you. Mrs. Esther Eguche is my name. I'm a registered nurse, been one for over 13 years. I'm a registered eye nurse. I've been one for 10 years, over 10 years now. I'm a certified fruit and herbal therapies, author of over 16 wellness books, and I've helped over 3,500 people recover from chronic illness with adequate knowledge, like you're watching this video now to learn food changes, lifestyle modification, and natural remedies. You are welcome to another wellness video. This is the best time to hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button. How do you protect your eyes if you notice your vision is blur or not as sharp as it used to be naturally? The first thing you need to do is blink intentionally, especially when you are focusing on a near task. When I say a near task, if you are somebody like me that creates content, that work a lot using phone or your laptop, then you have to have it in your conscious, is it subconscious now, to intentionally take moments while you are doing your tasks to blink your eyes. Okay, blink your eyes and feel that moisture in your eyes. What happens is that when you are doing a close task for a long time, there's a tendency for you to lean, and there's a strong tendency for you not to blink during that period because you are focusing on a task. Okay, and that expose the eyes to dryness. It makes the eyes dry, and this affects the quality of your vision. It also affects your muscles. Okay, when your eyes is focused on an object or focus on a task for a long period of time, it affects the eye muscles. This leads to some of the signs and symptoms you are experiencing. So intentionally blink. Take break off close work to close your eyes, open it, close your eyes, open it for about 60 seconds. The next thing I want you to do is the 20-20 rule. It says that for every 20 minutes you are on your device, okay, take a break and look at an object, anything that is 20 feet away from you. If you don't know how far 20 feet is, just look at something that is very, very far, the farthest thing you can see with your eyes, and do that for about 20 seconds before going back to your task. This helps your eyes to take a break. This helps your eye to recover from digital strain. And this also gives your eyes, it helps exercise your eye muscles. So have that in your consciousness and practice it. You will see that when you've done this over time, there is improvement in your vision. The next thing I want to talk about is hydration. When you're not drinking enough water, the important organs in your body, like your heart, your kidneys, your liver, they will take the water available. Why your eyes, they are deprived. And with dry eyes comes vision problem. Like you can start experience eye itching, discomfort in your eyes, and these things contribute to affecting the quality of your vision. So drink water, 2.5 to 3 liters of water daily. If you want to even make this super effective, drink warm water as often as you can throughout the day. This helps apart from your eye, it improves blood circulation. It helps with detox. Thing I want to talk about is your blood sugar level. Is your blood sugar level within normal? If you've not checked your blood sugar level in the past couple of months, don't tell me yes. Please go to the nearest health center, pharmacy, hospital, anywhere you can, or your church. Some churches have this first aid kit and all, go and check your blood sugar level. Check it as frequently as possible. High blood sugar affects the lens in your eyes. It can cause the lens to swell, and when it swells, it alters the vision. Go and check your blood sugar level and do everything to ensure that they stay within normal levels, because for every time your blood sugar level spikes, it affects the nerves in your eyes, and over time it can predispose you to conditions such as diabetic retinopathy, and even it can even lead to glaucoma. I know you definitely got value from today's wellness tip, and you don't want to miss the next one because it's also going to be value packed. Hit the subscribe button, like, and very important, leave a comment, even if it's a simple statement as Nurse Esther, I got value from today's wellness tip on how to protect your eyes naturally if your vision is blurred. If you have questions concerning your eyes, please ask them in the comment section, okay? And I promise to answer your question. If you have questions related to your eyes, please leave them in the comment section and I promise I would respond. Have you heard of our 3-in-1 Save Your Eyes bundle? In that bundle, you will learn about how to protect your eyes naturally from glaucoma, digital strain, and trauma. Is an over 1 hour section. The second is the ebook Supportive Herbal Remedies for Glaucoma. This contains food changes, lifestyle modification, and about 15 natural remedies that you can use to support your vision if you've been diagnosed with glaucoma or any other eye condition for that matter. And the third book is Incidental Accidental Blindness. It teaches you first aid strategies to protect your eyes within the first few minutes of incidents or accidents to the eye. You will see the link to get this bundle in the description box. Hit the subscribe button. See you in the next wellness video. Remember, you cannot fulfill God's plan and purpose for your life without a healthy body.